Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you a cute little box that I got from one of my PR companies that I work with or collab with or however you want to call it. So I was sent out some new polishes from the Spring Summer Collection 2020 by Catrice Cosmetics, and I am so excited to unbox this little package with you, talk about the new polishes a little bit and also swatch a couple of them. So first up, I got the 99% natural base coat. It only has 3 ingredients, which is pretty nice. Let me check. This one is €3.59, or at least in the Netherlands. Prices may vary a little bit depending where you live in Europe or the US or anywhere else in the world. But this base coat actually smells a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and I think that is because one of the 3 ingredients is organic alcohol. So yeah, it does evaporate or dry pretty quickly, which is a big plus. And it also says to prevent any discoloration or staining, and also promises to give you a long-lasting manicure. Then I also got the sleep-proof top coat. You can see it right here. It is the black little bottle. This one is €3.59 in euros as well, and this is a quick drying top coat. You know, sometimes you do your nails at night and you think your nail polish is completely dry, but then you go to bed and the next morning there are like crinkles in your manicure and it's not a pretty sight. Well, this top coat actually promises you to prevent anything like that from happening. So it is a crinkle proof top coat, I'd say. Then I also got 4 nice colors. These are from the Ico Nails collection, like their regular nail polish collection. Of course it says gel lacquer, but because it is a transparent bottle, you know it is a regular nail polish, and they are completely vegan and cruelty free, which is a big plus as well. But they actually came out with 4 new red shades with different types of undertone in the colors, which is pretty nice because sometimes it can be quite hard to find the perfect red for your specific skin tone and undertone and all. Like usually the reds that suit me perfectly are the ones with the bluish cold undertones, because I am quite pale. Those just suit me best. So if you are as pale as I am or with like a cooler undertone, like the Christmassy reds are perfect for you. But I think it's really nice that they actually came out with 4 red shades, like additionally to the red shade that is already in their regular nail polish collection. So you have more different like reds to choose from, and just to try them out and see which color suits you best. Of course, I just got these 4 colors. Some are a little bit more orangey red, others are a little bit more corally. Like the 98 number polish is actually quite nice as well. But yeah, I'm just going to swatch all of these really quickly, and the first one was number 90. And yeah, that is more of like an orangey kind of tone. Then you have 91, and on the back you can see the names as well. This one is called Gym Tonic. All of the names of Catrice Cosmetics polishes always have such cute like wordplays in them, like, you know what I mean. They always sound fun or really relatable, and I really like it. I would highly suggest, if you use these colors on your own nails, to always apply 2 layers. A lot of the times the polishes by Catrice Cosmetics are highly pigmented and you're like usually good with just 1 coat, but just to make it completely opaque and not patchy and all that jazz, I would just suggest to apply 2 layers. And of course, because we are working with red tones in this particular video, or at least the ones I'm swatching right here, always make sure to apply a good layer of base coat. Personally, I always go for 2 layers of base coat whenever I work with reds or highly pigmented pinks or oranges, because colors like these, because of their high pigmentation, they tend to stain the nails pretty badly even though you are wearing a base coat. So that's just a little heads up. Always make sure to not only use a base coat for longevity of your manicure, to make sure you don't have any tip wear or chips or anything like that. Just use it to prevent any staining of the nail. And for me personally, I don't mind my nails being a little stained every now and then. That's just what happens when you use nail polishes. But yeah, if you don't wear nail polishes all the time like I do, and you just want to occasionally wear a red color, make sure to protect that nail and just use a good base coat. So yeah, here I'm just swatching the 4 red tones that I got. These polishes, as I said, are from the Ico Nails Gel Lacquer collection. This is just their regular nail polish collection that Catrice has. They update it twice a year for spring, summer, and fall, winter as well. So yeah, I'm pretty curious to see if there are any other colors from their regular nail polish collection line that will be new. What colors will go away, disappear, be discontinued. I don't know everything about that yet, but I'm really curious to see if there will be any other new colors, like apart from these red tones. But these are €2.99 in euros here in the Netherlands. Again, prices may vary depending where you live, but they are quite affordable. And you guys know me, I'm a big Catrice Cosmetics fan, whether it is like nail polishes or anything like that. I love their makeup line as well, and their nail polishes, I'm just a big fan. They're affordable, they're drugstore proof, they're easy to get by as well, and yeah, I just pretty much love it. Then they also came out with the Pure Nail Polish collection, or the Pure Plus Natural collection. I'm not quite sure how this collection is called, but it is like more than 70% of these polishes are natural ingredients, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Like personally, I really like it when my polishes are quite caring for the nail as well, not damaging and all that jazz. And I'm not going to swatch these colors because I want to do an entire separate video on these colors, but I just wanted to show you the colors real quick. Like in the bottles, on the brush, you can tell the like liquidy substance of the polishes. They aren't that thick, but they aren't really runny either. So I think that these will apply quite nicely to natural nails. This collection, let me check. These are $3.99 each, so they are a little bit more expensive than their regular nail polish collection or their regular nail polish line that they have. But I think because there are only 5 colors, they might come out with more, like additional colors, maybe in fall 2020. I'm not quite sure. I hope so, because these colors are all quite wearable, nude, a little bit rosy. They're just different wearable rosy nude colors in different, like from light to dark in my opinion. So there definitely is a color out there for everyone in this collection. Even though there are only 5 colors to choose from, I do think it is a really nice selection so far. But as I mentioned, I am going to do a separate video on those, swatch them on my own nails. And as you can see in this video, I recorded this right after I snapped off my both thumbnails. I mentioned this in previous videos as well. Things like that happen. I break nails like twice a year, maybe 3 times a year I break a nail. It was just quite unfortunate that I broke both of them like in a period of like 24 hours. But what are you going to do about it? Nothing. So yeah, but this was my unboxing first impression and just some little bit of like information of these new Catrice Cosmetics Spring Summer 2020 polishes. If I have more information, I will definitely update you. If there are new colors, I will swatch them as well. But thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.